Welcome to the MBUX system of Mercedes-Benz. I will give you a quick tour of all the functions in this system. Starting with the left side, the instrument cluster. You control it by this touchpad on the steering wheel. You can go to different menus by clicking this home button down here. You can choose between assist systems, your systems like adaptive cruise control, and you can go to your cell phone settings, navigation, trip information, radio, media, styles and display settings. So you can change the look of the displays. You can go from classic to sport. And you've also progressive. And understated. This is a very minimalistic look. We'll just keep it at sport for now. What do we have more? We also have service. Okay, things like coolant. Pretty nice, you don't have to get out of the car and check it yourself. You can see everything from here. Okay, and you can, this is for the center display. You can swipe to your left and change the layout of the left instrument to a clock, to some information, some more information, and to the speedometer. And if you go to the right, you have your rev counter, you have your consumption, eco display, navigation, and something where some information also pops on. Okay, this is it for the left side, for the instrument cluster. And if we take a look at the infotainment screen in the middle, we can control this by using the touchpad on the right side of the steering wheel. We can also control it by this touchpad down here. We also have shortcut buttons here, like on the steering wheel. And also some more shortcut buttons here on the center console. But what the MBUX system offers that wasn't available in the Command Online system is a touchscreen function. And a very good one. It reacts pretty fast and the graphics are just from another league. It's very good. And the touchscreen, yes, it reacts very fast. And now let's go through the functions from the infotainment screen in the middle. Let's start with home. We have phone, navigation, radio, media, info, store, apps, settings. Let's start with info. Vehicle information. Let's start the car up. For your information, this is the A200 model with a 1.3 inline 4 petrol engine. Okay, click this off. Okay, let's go back to the infotainment screen in the middle. We have vehicle settings. If you press the gas, oh nice, you can even see it's a percentage of brake you press. Wow, okay, nice gimmick to have. What do we have as well? Engine. Oh nice, you can see the amount of torque the engine uses, the amount of kilowatts, oil temperature, engine temperature. A lot more information compared to the system in the command online system. Yeah, now let's go to consumption. Okay. Yeah, touchscreen makes everything easy. You can just go right to the menu you want. Okay, it's pretty nice information here. Now let's go to apps. What do we have here? Oh wow, okay. Settings. You can also change the display settings from here. Oh, the brightness, styles. Yeah, you don't have to use the instrument cluster all the time. You can also do it from here. Oh no, this you can also independently change the infotainment screen. Okay, here you have sport and classic, and the other, like progressive and understated, is only available for the instrument cluster. Okay, lights, what do we have here? Exterior lights, yes, surround lights, okay. Vehicle, dynamic select, acoustic lock, yes, we want that. Winter tires, limit, no. Filling stations, okay. Assistance. Active parking assist, traffic sign assist, okay. Active brake assist. Oh wow, you can even, a lot of assist systems in this A-Class. Attention assist standard. Yep, let's keep it like that. Quick access, what's this? ESP, okay, wow. What's this? What is the traction control? Okay. No, it is active lane keeping assist. It's now on, okay. Yeah. An overwhelming amount of functions for an A-Class. Very good. This was a quick MBUX system review. Hope you guys liked it, and yeah, tell me what you think about this system. Do you like it, or does the competitors make a better and more user-friendly system?